Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We're relaxing somewhere. If you've been watching our latest videos, you know that we're currently in sunny Alicante.
Well, we are, but it's not actually that sunny this morning.
No.
It's a bit overcast, and the weather forecast is going to rain all day.
Yeah, it's not a good forecast for today, is it?
So we're going to show you a few things you can do in Alicante if the weather's not great.
Yeah, places to go on a grey and wet day like today. So we thought we'd start today with a traditional Spanish breakfast and have some churros. I absolutely love churros, don't you, don't you?
Yeah, churros and hot chocolate.
Yeah, they're fantastic. It's a great way to start your day. Nice hot chocolate, nice bit of cream too. Lovely.
It's hot.
Absolutely lovely. So we've just finished our absolutely delicious churros. They're amazing, aren't they? The heavens have opened, they really have now. It was raining when we were at the churro place, but now it's absolutely belting down.
Yeah.
Thunder and lightning and everything.
It's a rainy day in Spain.
It is really raining.
So it's still absolutely belting it down.
It is absolutely pouring down today, it really is.
So we thought it was a good time to come to the Cathedral in Alicante.
Yeah, gather in.
And we couldn't film and talk in there because it had signs up over it saying be silent, which is fair enough.
Yeah, it's fair enough.
It's a place of worship. But what did you think of it compared to an English cathedral?
I thought it was really dark. I
It
was
was very
surprised
dark.
it didn't seem to have any windows at all in there.
So there wasn't a lot of stained glass in there. There was a little bit in the side chapel and that was it.
Yeah, I think that was it, yeah.
But it was built in the 17th century and it's named after the patron saint of Alicante, who's St. Nicholas.
Yeah, they have a parade, don't they, for him on the 6th of December?
Yeah.
And he dresses like Father Christmas, doesn't he?
Yeah, by all accounts they sort of parade and have a procession through the streets, so yeah. We've just come out of Alicante Town Hall, and even though there wasn't much to see in there,
No.
I was surprised by how opulent it was.
It was absolutely gorgeous in there. And the bells are chiming, which is rather nice.
Just gone up for us.
It's 12 o'clock, so it must be the midday chimes.
Yeah.
Because the clock on the town hall that's doing the chimes behind us now is where everybody comes to celebrate New Year on.
Yeah, and there's this
Alicante.
sort of plaza in front of it, and then
Yeah.
just sort of set fireworks off. It looks amazing.
It does. It was lovely inside, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was beautiful. And one of the rooms in there was starred for Queen Isabel of Spain,
Yeah.
which is probably why it was so opulent.
Yeah. One of the rooms in there had a fantastic mosaic floor as well, didn't it?
It did, yeah.
Yeah, it's really pretty. And there's also a gold statue as you walk in by Dali, which is also really impressive as well.
Yeah, that was it.
Really nice. And the stairway all the way up was really grand as well. It's a fantastic building inside, isn't it? It's a really nice building. So we've just come out of the central market here in Alicante. As you can see behind us, it's still absolutely pouring down. But that's a fantastic market, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a really, really big indoor market. It's the largest in the city, and they've got over 300 stores in there.
It's huge.
It's really good. Really good inside,
it is
though,
nice, yeah.
And it's kind of split into 3 sections. It's meat, fish, and vegetables.
Yeah. There was even bars in there, wasn't there?
Yeah. Bars, coffee shops.
Yeah, I've never seen that in a market before.
No.
There were people in there having a drink and
Yeah,
it's really interesting.
It's public areas, isn't it? It's really good.
The butchery section was fantastic. Absolutely brilliant butchery section. I've got a bit of a vested personal interest in that bit. I'm like bordering the cerebral, don't I?
Yeah, and then I get my own back because I take him to the fish section, and he hates fish.
I hate the smell of fish.
And he hates the smell, so I like the faces of people who's walking around there.
Yeah, it's not my favourite part of the market.
But it's really good to come and see. I can spend ages in there.
Yeah, I could have, I've got to be honest, it was great walking around
And
there.
everything, all the portions are really fresh. It's lovely in there.
Yeah, I did. So we're quite for something to eat, and in this part of Spain we do something different. Spain's obviously really well known for its tapas, but in this region they have something called pinchos. Really similar to tapas, but everything comes on bits of bread, and it's a real bonus of a meal to have, because you never know what you're going to get when you go inside.
So basically what you do is, you go to the counter, grab a plate, and you pick from a selection of different pinchos. So I've picked some sort of what looks like seafood salad, salmon, and a tuna pincho. So what did you go for?
I went for ham and cheese, ham with tomatoes and prosciutto, which looks really nice. A pork kebab, and they were also going around, which they do here, which is really cool. They walk around with dishes every now and again, and they ring the bell, just like they have in the background now. And they come out with fresh ones on a plate that they've just made. And I went for the chicken barbecue one. They also do, and I've never had it, but I've seen it, a bacon and egg one, which I really want, and I've got my fingers crossed they bring it out.
So now it's round two pinchos, and they've got, looks like beef and cheese, some sauce on top. We've got chicken and breadcrumbs, and I don't know what the pork one is, pork with the sauce on, so.
So that's pinchos round two then. The beef and cheese turned out to be pork and cheese, which I didn't like at all, but you liked it, didn't you?
Yeah, it had balsamic vinegar on it, it was really nice.
Yeah, I wasn't a fan of that.
But I didn't like the pork kebab.
I did, it was lovely.
And you like your chicken, didn't you?
Yeah, the chicken one is really, really nice, I've got to be honest. There's still no bacon and eggs, and it doesn't look like it's coming out at all, does it?
No.
So I'm gutted, but I'm full now, so I don't think I'll be having one if it come out anyway.
They're surprisingly filling, aren't
I'm
they?
really filling, but it's good food, and it's a real nice way to eat, isn't it?
Yeah. So that ends another full day in Alicante.
It was a full day, wasn't it?
It was, yeah. And luckily the rain went off, so we managed to get out for a drink tonight after our pinchos.
Oh, I really enjoyed my pinchos. It's a lovely way to have a meal on a night, it really is.
Yeah, they were delicious, weren't they?
Yeah, they were nice.
We're last seen somewhere. The last place you saw us was Alicante.
Why not watch our next video and see where we go next in Alicante?